you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, the meaning of such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargaining agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be 180 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those
Yes, ma'am, I
recommendations?
do.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
Mr. Gutierrez, I'm showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you
Yes.
understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We would waive PSI and ask the court to follow the state's recommendation in this case, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Gutierrez,
Yes, ma'am.
how old are you?
37, 38,
Wait, are you 37 or 38?
38.
Are you confused about it? Why would you think you were 37?
I don't know. It's just answered too quick. I'm sorry.
All right. What month were you born?
September
What day?
27th.
Okay. Usually sometimes people get a little confused when their birthday just passed or something.
No.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
11, 7, and 1
Where do they reside?
here in San Antonio, ma'am.
Do they stay with you or someone else?
With their mothers, and I get one of them on the weekends.
Who do you get on the weekend?
My middle son.
The 7-year-old?
Yes, ma'am.
And does why the 7-year-old and not the 11-year-old?
Different moms.
Okay. So the mother of the 7-year-old, that's a different mother?
Yes, ma'am.
The mother of the 1-year-old, is that the same mother?
No, ma'am.
So there's 3 mothers.
3. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any drug issues?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your drug?
Heroin.
How often have you been doing heroin?
I started when I was about 16, 17.
How often are you doing it?
Every day.
When's the last time you used before you were taken in custody?
The day of custody. The day I was taken in.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So gang affiliation?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Oregon.
Okay. Active?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any employment?
I do cabinets, ma'am. Custom cabinets.
And if you were released, where would you be staying?
My mom's house, 8218.
Oh, you don't need to give me the address,
Yes, ma'am.
but who lives at your mom's house other than your mother?
Mother and father.
Are they gang members?
Oh, man.
All right. How old are they?
They're going on 60.
Okay. All right. So here's the thing, Mr. Gutierrez,
Yes, ma'am.
and I'm going to just be 100%. Well, I'm always 100% honest. I figure we're all adults here,
Yes, ma'am.
and I tell people what I see.
Yes, ma'am.
And then if I'm seeing it incorrectly, people always have the floor to tell me, well, Judge, I think you're seeing it wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
I understand that you have a heroin problem. I
Yes.
understand that you use heroin daily,
Yes, ma'am.
but let me just tell you where I think your problem is going to run into.
Mhm.
You're active.
Mhm.
I always have field visits. So somebody's going to come visit your mother and father's house. And I'm gonna have you on GPS. So you're going to have to be at your mother's and father's house.
Yes, ma'am.
And your mother and father are of an age where they don't need drama and chaos visited upon their doorstep.
Yes, ma'am.
And because of your active participations and different participation in different organizations, drama can come to their doorstep. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. But like
So,
you said, I could tell you that you're wrong on that part because no one goes to my mom and dad's house. If that happens, they don't allow that. That's
well, I
that's
mean,
a big,
here's the thing.
big,
I understand the rules and that
Yeah.
people say they don't allow that,
yeah.
but things can happen.
I understand them.
And I know when things happen, people say, well, because you did that, this is going to happen,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe to you or somebody else.
Yeah.
But when you are involved in dangerous activities, at some point in time, somebody who's just the innocent bystander or whatever ends up getting injured.
Yes, ma'am.
I was just telling him the people, have you ever watched a Lifetime movie?
Yeah.
And
Sure.
every Lifetime movie, you know what ends up happening? The person's friends or
Mhm.
those who surround them always end up getting killed or injured when they have those, those themes of Lifetime movies.
Yes, ma'am.
And so
You're
that
right.
could happen with your parents.
Yes, ma'am.
You obviously need help.
Mhm.
The only place I'll be able to send you to is safety. Because I mean, you have a heroin addiction.
Mhm.
And sending you to safety. And I want you to, look internally. Like, I know you want probation. I know you want to get out, but you need to look in yourself internally.
Mhm.
Like, if you go to safety, that's where I'll be sending you, get treatment, get out. Are the people you're around and whatever you're doing, is that going to result in you having contact with heroin and you end up back on heroin again? Because people will tell you, I believe, if I were to hang out at a barbershop every day, just reading newspaper, talking sports with people, because I love sports, at some point, I'm going to end up getting a haircut because somebody's going to say, hey, let us just trim off the ends or let us just do this. And the first couple of times I may say no, but then since I'm there and things are going on, I'll probably be like, yeah, let's do this.
Yes, ma'am.
So I don't want services to be just given. And then really it's just, I'm doing time and my time is I'm on probation for 2 years. So I don't know if you just want to do time or if you want to try probation, because you're going to be on GPS
Mhm.
and you're going to have to stay at your parents' house. And I'm not going to let you leave your parents' house. Is that where you're going to be staying?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, I mean, I think you should discuss it with your attorney.
Okay.
All right. And if you want to discuss with the state, but those are my concerns.
Yes, ma'am.
And I think, Mr. Gutierrez, everybody will tell you, I look at everybody who comes in this courtroom as a human being. Some people went left when they should have went right.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody could be in your situation because of, I don't know, maybe their life, maybe the choices that they made, the choices that they feel they had no choice but to make.
Yes, ma'am.
So I look at everybody as a human being, but you need to make sure that you're honest with yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And what I can tell you, if I place you on probation, you are going to be on GPS.
Okay.
You are going to be going to safety because you have a heroin addiction.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'll let you discuss that with your attorney.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you so much for being honest with me.
Yeah.
We go back on the record in 2023 CR 0221. And Mr. Harkowitz, did you have a chance to speak with Mr. Gutierrez?
I did, Your Honor.
All right. And Mr. Gutierrez, it's the court's understanding that now you are withdrawing your application for probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you had a chance to talk sufficiently with your attorney about what you would like to do in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you need any more time to speak with him?
No, ma'am. That's fine.
All right. So I'm going to show you the plea bargain page. All right. And according to the new plea bargain agreement you've reached, you agreed to 180 days at the state jail facility
Yes, ma'am.
with a $1,500 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
And is that what you wish to do?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. As previously stated, I'm sorry, and you're still pleading no contest.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As previously stated, the court is finding there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There is a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently.
Whoa, okay, pause right there. Let's unpack this. The plaintiff is pushing for eviction, but the judge isn't just rubber stamping it. Here's the legal twist. Pending actions in Wayne County mean this case can't just move forward. Think of it like a domino effect. One decision in one court can completely block the next. What would you do if your property was caught in this back and forth? Drop a comment below.
Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing, the state will be giving him a credit for all the time he's
Yes.
already served.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Gutierrez, I'm sure your mom and your dad love you. And I'm sure there are some times where you've made choices in your life and it seems like you can't undo those choices. I don't know if that's the case for you, but what I do know, if you don't change your lifestyle, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
things may not turn out well for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Either it's the heroin or whatever activities you have, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And whatever you do not bring drama and chaos to your parents' doorstep. All right, because they're at the age where they would like to, one, know that their children are safe and happy. That's what all parents want. And two, they want to enjoy their golden years.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so don't be the cause of them not enjoying that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And thank you so much for your honesty today.
yes, ma'am, no problem. Thank you for caring so much.
All
Thank
right.
you, Judge.
thank you.
Later, you don't get that.
Court is calling 2023 CR 1353, State of Texas versus Clark Jackson Warren. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense? Are you Mr. Warren?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Warren, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yeah.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor. Pursuant to 1244.
All right.
Pursuant to 1244.
All right, and Mr. Warren, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Does.
You believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Mr. Warren, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea bargaining agreement, the state is requesting that your punishment be assessed at 108 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. All right, Mr. Warren, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right? Go around. Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing? All right, the court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 108 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. All right, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition